Hi friends, welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today we are making SEKIHAN red bean rice and how the rice is grown. We eat SEKIHAN when we celebrate something like birthday or promotion. Today I make for myself for the Silver Creator Award. We usually eat Japonica rice, which is chewy and sticky compared to Indica rice. For SEKIHAN, we use glutinous rice or sweet rice. Today I authentically cooked in a steamer like we did before the rice cooker was invented. You can make it in a pot or a rice cooker instead of steamer. Let's get started. Today's glutinous rice is newly harvested in my local rice paddy. I have covered all the procedures from the planting to harvesting. The paddy is not quite large and irregular in shape, so they do planting by hand. They plant it at intervals. If you give your children a chance to experience the kind of things the farmer said, they won't get mad and get resilience when they grow up. This makes sense for Japanese, but how about you? In the autumn, the rice field looks like a sea of gold. It's time to harvest. They cut rice with a sickle and tie a bunch of it. And then hang over on the bamboo and they sun dry for about 2 weeks. The reason why to sun dry is to store the rice longer in the good condition. After 2 weeks of sun drying, they milled the rice and polished. After 6 months of the procedure, I have much more respect for the nature and the rice farmers. Now let's start making the red bean rice. I am using here Adzuki beans, which you can find at Asian market. Rinse the red bean under cold running water. Put in a pot and pour 3 cups of water. Turn the heat to high and bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, let's rinse the glutinous rice. Drain on a strainer and set aside while preparing the beans. Simmer the red bean for a couple of minutes after reaching the boiling point and drain. Rinse the beans and the pot. Put the beans back in the pot. Pour 3 cups of water and turn the heat to medium. Cook for 15 minutes or until half done. When you pinch the beans with thumb and forefinger, it is not easy to mash like this. Stop cooking. You don't have to cook through because it cooked again with glutinous rice, and if you cook the beans until soft, your SEKIHAN ends up mushy. Drain into a strainer and keep the red bean water. Ladle the red bean water to expose to the air to make the color bright. Then put the bowl on the ice bath and chill until it comes to room temperature. Soak your glutinous rice in the red bean water for at least 5 to 6 hours to overnight. Soak your red bean in water as well. While soaking, the rice dyes in red. The next day, take it out from the fridge and separate the water and rice. Can you see the water runs clear? Wet your steamer and cheesecloth. If you don't have a steamer, you can cook in a pot or a rice cooker. Place dyed rice in the cheesecloth lined steamer. Flatten the surface and steam on the medium for 20 minutes or until half done. Add in your red beans. Sprinkle the rest of the water with your fingers. Don't forget to add some water under the steamer. Steam 20 more minutes, and after that, it should look like this. You should test the texture if it's cooked or not. It's perfectly cooked, and each grain and beans are fully cooked and still some texture with it. Chewy and so soft, this is what I want. Fluff it with the rice paddle and transfer to your small offering bowl as I always did. I offer to it show appreciation for their support. And I also offer to the silver play button for the future success. We serve the sekihan with the black sesame salt. This is truly an authentic Japanese dish. Make it for your loved one on a special occasion. The sticky rice has a different texture and sweetness that increases the more you chew. The color red is considered to evil spirit away. It tastes so special for us. It reminds me of every happy moment I had in the past. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious Japanese recipes. And if you have any questions and future video requests, let me know in the comment. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And if you are wondering what I'm using in my kitchen, you can get it at the Amazon store. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!